Hey guys, Andrew Koster with Louisiana Grills here at the Danson's Training Center. Today, we're going to be going over part replacement and maintenance on your Louisiana pellet grill. We're going to be using an LG 900, but since all Louisiana grills have a similar burn system, these will be relevant to all Louisiana grills, including yours at home. In this video, we're going to be going over replacing the RTD in your Louisiana grill. We already have the hopper grate and the side plate off of our hopper, giving us access to all of our wires. Our first step is going to be to remove the heat shield by removing 6 Phillips head screws on the back side of your grill. Once we've removed those screws, the heat shield will come right off, giving us access to the RTD, a screw and nut holding it to the heat shield. We'll remove that screw and nut, which then in turn will remove the RTD from the heat shield. Once inside the grill, an additional step will be to remove the second heat shield on the left side of the grill. We're going to do that by removing 2 screws on the inside, 2 screws on the outside. So our next step is going to be to actually disconnect the RTD wires. These wires can be pretty tight, so if need be, you may need to use pliers, but be extremely careful not to rip the wires from the connectors. So now that our heat shields have been removed and we've disconnected our RTD from the heat shield, we can actually just pull it right out. In case your spade connectors get a little bit tied up in there, I recommend pulling them out one at a time. They'll come right out. And from there, we've removed our RTD and can go about replacing it in the exact opposite order.